Ano yung masulod mo kaon?
Oh, kaon na
Try
lang.
na to tawag sa sira. Tawag na to.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're going to Atmosphere to check out what's the word I'm looking for? What the buzz is all about this place that's supposed to be where celebrities hang out. So my sister, my wife, and Nathan are gonna go. As you know, I'm not a very going out type of person, so I've been encouraged by my family to go out to this place. So we're gonna go see if it's gonna be worth the money we're gonna be potentially spending. I might just, if it's too expensive, I might just get a freaking avocado shake like I did at Halang.
I'm gonna get a service water.
Okay.
It's free.
But I will say, but you know, my wife, it's right next to Bahura. It's allegedly one of the more expensive resorts here in Duma, right?
Darwin.
I mean Negros in
Negros
general.
Oriental.
It's one of the more expensive ones, right?
Very exclusive.
Very exclusive. So
Very expensive.
we're gonna go see it. Obviously, we'll see the views because my wife wants to see how the pool's set up and stuff like that. Halang is probably for me like one of the top spending places because it's a bit expensive, honestly. The food is decent.
Too oily, too salty.
Yeah, the food is decent. But
Portions were kind of
you're not gonna. If I'm living here full time and not on vacation, I'm not gonna be eating
my
there.
crab was 1,000 almost.
My sister's crab was almost 1,000 pesos. It was a little. My fist was bigger than the crab. I tell you right now. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what the bill is. I'm just gonna, we'll see what happens. For those of you not in the know, Atmosphere is in Darwin, which is basically like resorts town, all through up and down Darwin. So we'll check it out. Another thing about Dumaguete, if you guys are interested about living in Dumaguete, traffic sucks. Driving is no rules driving. Controlled chaos. For you guys who are interested in wanting to live in places around here, this is going south from Dumaguete. First time you're gonna hit is basically Bakong, then Darwin, then Sambuanguita. So Darwin is known for its resorts, like I said before, and a lot of foreigners are living over there because of, I think, I don't know, somebody set it off first and then somebody set the precedent and then everybody started moving there. It is a good distance away from the city, and Darwin's how many minutes from the city? At least 30 minutes, so people can get the good mix of solitude and going to the city for their needs. So if you can see, the highway has been stretched out. It's literally 4 lanes. Even though some Filipinos want to park in the 4th lane here on the outside lanes, but generally speaking, this is a lot better than what it was years ago. South Beach Grill, I think I ate there with Gareth one time. So yeah, is it closed? Oh shit! Oh no. I guess we can turn it off, I guess, Ask him if we can walk in even.
Someone's gonna go eat. Down to me, sir.
Name sa reservation, sir.
Wala yung reservation mo, kaon na mi.
Wala yung masulod mo kaon?
Oh, kaon na
Try
lang.
na to tawag sa sira. Tawag na to. Pila ni kabuk, sir? Tanan.
Upat.
Upat dahil ang name mga dalon na.
Wala.
Okay, balik na.
We have to call.
I suppose you have to get a reserve. That's the thing, you get a reserve to come here.
Oh, well, there's always Bahura.
This is way too expensive. But I mean, hey, listen, this is what you get right here. This is the level of security is semi-extensive. The place looks kind of.
From first impression, atmosphere from the outside looks just like Bora.
I'm not impressed.
I can't be as blunt as my brother, but
I'm not impressed.
I believe that looks all the same to me, man.
I'm not impressed, honestly.
We will have to wait until we get inside.
There's
you
nothing
know,
impressive that I see here.
I mean, well, right now, we didn't know this, but I think we have to call every time we come here because it's a private resort. But isn't Bahor a private resort?
Yeah, but there's entrance.
That's why. But we're gonna try to eat here. If we can't come, then we can't go in. We'll check out Fin Bar.
Yeah, we're going to Fin Bar. Fuck that.
Ano sa name sa inyong business?
Ano namin mga apartment sa Kuan, sa Piape o sa Sariman. Oo, among familiar ka sa Moon Cafe sa Sariman nyo. Kanang mga yuta sa likod anak mo. So I just got a mango shake this morning. Ruby got for a latte, my sister got a latte, and Nathan, as always, service water. Service water. So I got this spicy burger with these fries and this little side salad thing. Let's see how it tastes. So we are leaving Atmosphere right now. All in all, the food was okay, but a bit too expensive for me. The ambience is great. I like it. The property is like 3.8 hectares or something like that. It's pretty good, but you know.
So we're leaving here at Atmosphere and we just finished eating, and that's it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.